G'day Oz ADV rider. Today I'm out testing out my Auxito battery pump. Now I've already done a review on this. I actually popped the beads on a tubeless tyre and got this pump to pump it up, reseating the beads. So I did a great job, but I've had some questions on it regarding battery life, accuracy and recharging. So we're going to do a few tests. First up, we'll check the pressure and what the tyre is and what this reads now. And then we're going to let down the tyre, pump it up, see how many times we can do that before it goes flat. And then we'll recharge it so I can get home again because I'm out in the middle of nowhere. This is the tyre pressure gauge I've always used to check my tyre pressures. Now this is a good quality one. It is made in Sheffield, England. So what are we reading here? Yep, we're reading 34 psi with this gauge. So it's reading 32. So 2 psi difference. Not too bad. So we're on full charge. Now, let's hope I don't get myself in trouble doing this. Let's let it down. I've got to be very careful not to lose this in the grass. Oh, we'll be screwed. Righto, oops, let's screw that back in. Now I'm actually going to set it to 36, that's what I normally run this rear tyre. So we'll also check how long it takes to pump up from dead flat. Righto. Start. Righto, what do we got? Stop. Just over 5 minutes. So that's one. Now we'll check that again with the pressure gauge. Where is that? Here. So that's actually 37 this time. So we're pretty close. Righto, let it down again. So the battery's changed to yellow, so it's between 30 and 70%. So that must have used 30% to do one tyre. This is meant for flats. If you're airing down your tyres and pumping it up, perfect for that. Righto, let's go again. Number 2. That's number 2 done. I've just noticed it go down to red, so it's below 30% battery now. I reckon we've only got one left in us. So this will depend on the size of your tyre too, of course. If you've got a big 4-wheel drive tyre, it's going to take a lot more to fill. This is a pretty average adventure motorcycle tyre. It's tubeless, 150/70 by 17 inch. Righto, here we go for number 3. Will we make it? That should start flashing when it's less than 5%. It actually just stopped, so it must be basically flat. Yeah, there it goes, turned itself off. So yeah, didn't even get three full inflates, which surprises me a little bit. So now we need to get a bit more charge in it so I can get that up to full pressure so I can ride home again. Now, I wouldn't recommend using this while you're riding because it barely fits. This is just so you can see. So that's charging now. So like I said, if I was on a multi-day trip and this thing, I used this even once, I'd put it on the charger while I was riding so it was ready to go next time. Now my charger on the bike is wired into the ignition. I need the ignition on or the bike running. I don't want to do that. So we'll turn that off. So the other way to charge it's just with a battery pack, power bank, whatever you want to call it. Righto, while we wait for that to charge, we may as well make up a coffee. Oh, wish you could smell that. We're done. Oh. See how that goes. That's been charging while I made a coffee, drunk it. Yeah, hopefully that's enough charge to get it back up to 36 psi again. We might even check that front and top it up too while we're at it. So it's on orange rather than red, so we should be good. There we go, got to our 36. I meant to take notice of how long I had that charging. It was probably about 10 minutes. It has gone down to red again. So we may as well set the front while we're here. We'll go down to, what do I do the front? 32 I think. 32. This front tyre always seems to lose pressure, so it won't hurt to check it while we're here. 15, bloody hell. Will it make it? Being a skinny 21-inch wheel, it shouldn't take as much. That's going up pretty quick. So yeah, it didn't take much at all. So where I couldn't quite fill the back tyre 3 times, you'd probably fill this one a lot more. I thought it would have filled the back tyre a few more times than that, but so I think for its intended purpose this pump's really good. It is for emergency use, get a flat tyre, and it'd also be great for airing your tyres up and down. One small complaint, the bag for it's very flimsy. As an adventure rider, this gets stuffed under my seat with all my other junk. It might get knocked around a bit. It does seem pretty durable though. But yeah, maybe something a bit more hardy than that would have been good. Anyway, we'll wrap it up in some bears, hey? I do like that it fits under the seat nicely. Done. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I do have a affiliate link below if you would like to purchase one. I do get a small commission from that. Any more questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.